Hey, it's Sam from Hanko Trade, and in this video we're going to show you how to open up pending orders, or also known as limit orders, okay? So we're going to go ahead and open up a pound US dollar chart. We'll make it 5 minutes. There it is. And what we want to do is we want to create a pending order. So what's a pending order? Well, say I don't want to get in right now for a buy or a sell, but should the market go to, let's say, around here, then yeah, absolutely, I want you to sell the market. For example, get me in for a short position when it gets here, or get me in for a long position, a buy position when it gets down here. So how do we do that? Well, it's very, very simple. So all we're going to do is right click the market and entry order buy or entry order sell. So first, find where you want your entry order or your pending order to be. So say we want the pending order to be right here for a sell, entry order sell at that price. Now, what's the lot size we want to enter? We want to enter at one lot, and we can do a predefined stop and all that sort of stuff as well, as we mentioned before, and click OK. Now, when price gets to that point, we're going to be triggered in to a sell position, okay? But only if it reaches that point. If it never gets there, no trade will be triggered, okay? So if I just make the chart a bit smaller, you can see under open positions, there's no open position. But under orders, you can see we have a sell position at 1.2569. Okay, which is 1.25691, which is right there, and it hasn't happened. But say we want to buy when it gets to here, so we're going to do the exact same thing, or open up a buy position, one lot, click OK. We now have a buy order ready at 1.5658. So 1.5658, which is just there. The moment it gets there, we're going to be triggered into a buy. It can even show you the proximity, how far away it is. It's 1.4 pips away, 2.5 pips away. So we're just going to wait for one of these to get triggered in, just to show you how it is. So price was just triggered in. Your entry order for a sell at one lot was executed like so. So now under open positions, we now have that trade open, and we can cancel this trade. So again, very simple. All we're going to do is hit remove order, click OK. That buy pending trade is no longer there. So if price does go down, it's not going to trigger me in for a buy. And that's pretty much it. That's how to open up pending orders.